Webb Space Telescope shows how a star is brought into the world in an extraordinary grandiose nursery. Presently, the James Webb Space Telescope, Hubble's replacement, has turned its infrared eyes to see through those equivalent segments and assess the babies still in their dusty dens. In the new perspective on the support points delivered on Wednesday, cherry red streaks and waves are planes of material crushed from globs of gas and residue, child protostar, as they imploded and warmed up toward fame. Indeed, it's brimming with endlessly stars to be. Quite a while back, in 1995, the Hubble Space Telescope wowed the world with an enormous scene called Mainstays of Creation. The picture uncovered transcending heaps of gas and residue in the bird cloud, one of the most useful star plants in the smooth manner cosmic system. It was high workmanship from profound space and a visual victory for the recently fixed and reawakened Hubble, which had been defaced by an obscured focal point that kept it from recording more clear scenes of the universe. Presently, the James Webb Space Telescope, Hubble's replacement, has turned its infrared eyes to see through those equivalent segments and assess the babies still in their dusty bunks. In the new perspective on the support points delivered on Wednesday, cherry red streaks and waves are planes of material crushed from globs of gas and residue, child protostar, as they fell and warmed up toward fame. Following 20 years and some $10 billion, the Webb telescope sent off on Christmas Day last year into a circle around the Sun and 1 million miles from Earth. The send-off was spectacularly fruitful, similar to the perplexing unfurling system in space that put the telescope into functional mode. The Webb is intended to see infrared light, electromagnetic radiation with frequencies longer than apparent light, colors no natural eye has at any point seen. Seeing the universe in these frequencies permits stargazers to see far-off systems whose light has moved into infrared with their movement away from Earth, and to look through dust mists that litter the paths of interstellar space. The telescope has demonstrated its worth. Over the most recent couple of months, it has stunned stargazers with new perspectives on a universe that they assumed they knew. Worlds and stars at the edge of time, 200 or 300 million years after the huge explosion, creepy pictures of planets like Neptune and Jupiter, sensitive tests of the environments of exoplanets that are potential sanctuaries of outsider living things, a perspective on debris from a little space rock soon after the NASA DART shuttle, rehearsing planetary protection, purposefully crushed into it. And enormous scenes like the Mainstays of Creation or the grandiose precipices of the Carina Cloud, stressing the massive scope and delicate show of the patterns of creation and obliteration that describe the times of presence in our cosmic system. The bird cloud is around 6,500 light-years from Earth and is in the heavenly body serpens, from the Latin word for snake. The cloud, referred to likewise as more chaotic 16, is starlight that can be scarcely witnessed by the unaided eye on clear nights in July and August. Appreciate it while you can. In 2 or 3 million years, the cloud will be gone, dissipated by its savage heavenly descendants like an easy wind-blown cirrus cloud on a late spring evening. The new picture was made with Webb's close-to-infrared camera or NIR cam. Space experts said in a news discharge that the telescope's perception would permit superior statistics of the cloud stars and their sorts, and in this way work on their models and speculations of how stars structure, escape from their dusty creches, kick the bucket and give their substances to what's in store. Residue to clean remains to cinders. Then YTNS.